Hey, sweetheart. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay, honey. It's definitely waking up now.
Gaining some of her senses, buddy.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's okay. Come on.
Don't hurt Tony. Keep going. Can't stand in the middle of the road, baby girl.
Come on.
There's the cop right there.
Oh, is he? Oh, it's DNR too, I think.
Poor thing.
There you go.
She's in here. I just called. I don't know if you're here because of the call or not, but
I'm just driving to work. But
she got both
That's the
legs
most
are
she's
cut.
moved in.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
I got videos for a long time.
Finally going towards the woods now.
so yeah, if she can get out of the woods, then we'll be good.
Right.
Nah.
I figured we'd call you guys because I didn't want somebody else hitting it, wrecking
Yeah.
your stuff. So
It's okay, honey. Go on.
go.
Get out of the road. Oh, her leg is just gashed open. It's
That might be the one coming to the call right there.
do you see her leg?
Yeah, I see it bleeding.
I've seen him heal up a lot.
I was gonna say if she's standing
Worse
on
stuff
it.
than that. There you go.